What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today I've got some news that might blow your minds. So check it out. Internet speeds are evolving, and my personal internet provider, Optimum, is kind of coming in hot with 8 gigabits. Now, gigabit internet is getting very popular these days, and I feel like a lot of people are opting for that to just try to get the most out of their internet. But could you imagine those speeds multiplied by 8? You'd be able to do a lot of your everyday tasks really quickly. So think about like the everyday things that we do. And I think the most popular thing that we all do on the internet right now is streaming video. And we all hate buffering. And not just buffering, but when your internet speeds aren't really hitting the way they should be, sometimes you get those really low resolution pixelated images. Nobody likes that. And we just hate when the video just stops in front of us and we gotta wait for the internet to kind of get it going again. With 8 gigabit speeds, that is one less thing to worry about, which I'm not mad at because, you know, you can watch your average consumer videos without stopping. Not to mention us gamers, Dom. Yeah. Not only will we be able to play online and not have to worry about lag or just a bad connection, but we're able to download our games way faster. There's nothing worse than, you know, purchasing a game online, wanting to jump right into it, but then you've got to wait a couple of hours or something for the entire thing to download. With 8 gigabit, we'll be able to see huge games get downloaded within minutes. So downloading games are going to be faster. Playing online is not going to be an issue. Even if someone else is using the internet to stream content or do whatever they're doing, you'll have more than enough room for everybody to do their thing. You know, can you imagine how many streams of like 4K video you can have at once?
It'd be crazy.
That's a test we need to try out. And this isn't only gonna be beneficial for entertainment, but a lot of us are working from home. So when you're on your Zoom calls or whatever video chats you're on, you don't have to worry about lag as much. You'll be able to have your nice smooth conversations without having to cut out or anything like that. It's gonna change the way we do anything involving the internet, honestly. With speeds now up to 8 gig, Optimum fiber internet is fast. It's faster than Verizon and Frontier. Optimum is delivering speeds 4 times faster than Verizon and 60% faster than Frontier. Now that's like next level fast. And even for me as a creator, this is a game changer because it supports data heavy applications such as like AR, VR, not to mention video production, graphic design. Me being on the video production side of things, I'm uploading massive files to the internet almost every day. So this is going to be something that completely changes the way we get to upload things, because I'm talking about like 8 to 10 gigabyte files. This could save us so much time. I feel like when we got 1 gigabit, we were just like, whoa, we are on 1 gig now. That is absolutely insane. But the idea of 8 gigs coming into our homes, still can't realistically fathom what that's gonna feel like, and I am excited for it. And this is coming at the perfect time because Wi-Fi 7 is a thing and it is on its way, and that is going to help us take full advantage of these kinds of speeds. We're gonna be seeing that come to like our smartphones, our routers. You're gonna be hearing about that a lot, and this is the kind of service you're gonna want to go along with that. Now, if you want to learn more about Optimum's 8 gig and how you can get your hands on it, I'll of course have everything you need to know linked right down below. I know I personally need this in my life, but till next video, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. It's your average consumer. Peace. What are your internet speeds like? Let me know if you'd want to upgrade to 8 gig. That's a silly question, of course you do.